Alright, this is 2815 Edwards Avenue South in St. Pete, and we just got done jet cleaning the line. Wanted to run the camera through after we're done. You can see how nice and round and pretty it is compared to how it was. There's a lot of grease in here and a whole lot of cast iron scale to the point that the pipe didn't even look round. So now you can see it's got a nice roundness to it. I don't see any roots, I don't see any dirt, I don't see any cracks or breaks. So I think the jet cleaning was absolutely beneficial and should help to keep this line flowing for many more years. And we're dropping down the 45 now. That's a clean out cap that's in there. And we'll be falling in the ditch here momentarily. So as you can see, we went in from the back of the house. Pipe was cut so we could get the jetter in there. Everything looks great.